What is that, honey?
What?
What is that over there? Sheep. Sheep.
I have no idea what I'm shooting because I can't see.
Sheep. So, Dylan, this is what you get to do. If you want to be a goat farmer, this is what it looks like right here. So, this is what a goat farmer looks like, okay? Ah!